abyss, bottomless gulf or deep space, analysis, investigation or detailed study, تحقيق يعني, annihilation, this is how to pronounce it, destruction, antagonism, unfriendly position, apparatus, equipment or machinery, آلة يعني. Archaeologists, this is how to archaeologists, people who study history by examining an ancient sites and artifacts, علماء الآثار. Ardor, feeling of energy or enthusiasm. Artifacts, objects made or used by people long ago. Aspiring, it is an adjective, صفة, strongly desiring success, نجاح. Astronomer, scientists who study objects in outer space such as the moon and stars. Attest, state that something is true. Auditory, related to one's sense of hearing. Auditory nerve, العصب اللي يربط الأذن بالمخ. Auditory nerve that carry message from the ear to the brain. Banish, force someone to leave. مثلا the police banishes the protesters, force someone to leave. تغصب أحد يغادر. Bizarre, very odd or unusual. Bog, marsh or swamp. Caprice, sudden shift in mood or feeling. mood أو تقلب في المزاج أو في الحالة. mood or feeling. Circumstances, situation or condition, حالة. Cobblestone, made of flat round stones. Commercial, having to do with buying or selling. commercial شيء متعلق باقتصاد، فلوس، بيع وشراء. commodity, assets, good or material. This also assets or goods or materials. ممتلكات. consequence, importance. contemporary, modern. confronted,